Can I start? You recording it already?
We're running.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right. Perfect. Hello, I'm Tony Vass. I'm the director for the School for Engineering of Matter, Transport and Energy at Arizona State University. I'm really delighted to talk to you today about some exceptional and outstanding work that my faculty members are doing here. ASU is a pretty dynamic place, particularly because we have some great students and great faculty members who are really pushing the boundaries of science and technology. So today I want to highlight 4 people who are doing some exceptional work. Seth Tonge, shortly after being elected as a Fellow of the American Physical Society, was elevated to the stature of Fellow of the Royal Society of Chemistry. This is one of the oldest scientific societies. It's a very high honor, and Seth truly deserves it because he's doing cutting-edge work, a fantastic researcher, great faculty member. He really goes out of his way to make sure that his students are getting what they came here for. And he's an expert in 2D materials. Seth's work is not just something that will stay in the lab. He's working on 2D materials, which are much more stable at very small length scales compared to 3D materials. But he's also thinking about how to integrate them into the next generation semiconductor devices. I want to congratulate Seth, and I think we are going to hear a lot more about him in the years to come. The next person that I want to talk to you about is Yang Zhao. For the first time, Yang, working with a group of researchers as a part of a MURI, discovered hyperuniformity in quantum spin liquids, which has not been done before. So they actually found order in a classical disordered system, which can lead to many other applications in other quantum systems. It's a big deal. This will have implications also in quantum computing. So this was published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. So I'm really happy for Yang, and I want to congratulate him. So now I want to talk to you about Eileen Sivo. She's one of our rising stars. She's an assistant professor in chemical engineering and recently won the DOE Early Career Award. Eileen has some really cool ideas. So she takes polymers and re-engineers them by introducing nanoparticles and then using that to heal damage that occurs in polymers due to wear and tear. So this is actually a fascinating idea, and it has many applications, right? Imagine self-healing, your body, for example. When you get a wound, our body knows how to activate our immune system so that the wound heals by itself. Now imagine translating that type of an idea to a passive object like a polymer, right? So that's what Eileen is doing. So if polymers, when they're used in industry, where they're used in service, when they get damaged, the idea that it can self-heal, just like what a human body would do, is pretty cool. Eileen is a leading researcher in this area. We're looking forward to much more from Eileen, and I want to congratulate Eileen. This is a significant recognition for her at this stage of her career. Switching gears here a little bit, I want to talk to you about Kiran Solanki, a colleague of mine in mechanical and aerospace engineering. Kiran and a team of people from Lehigh University and Louisiana State have recently discovered a new copper alloy that maintains very high exceptional strength and stability at high temperatures. One of the areas where there's a lot of research that's going on right now is in discovering new materials that can be thrusted into harsh environments like high temperature. So discovering this alloy right now is very timely, and their breakthrough work resulted in a publication in Science, which is again another huge accomplishment because Science has a very high rejection rate. It's not easy to get a paper published in Science, and this paper truly deserves to appear there because I think there's going to be massive practical implications for the use of this material in various applications. Hello, this is Future Tony here. I want to thank you for watching this video about our faculty members in SEMT at ASU, the work they're doing, and the great breakthroughs they're making. I will be updating you shortly in the future, so thank you again from the Valley of the Sun.